everybody, welcome again to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Angela, and today's look is going to be this green smoky eye using my Jaclyn Hill Vault palette in Dark Magic. So if you guys are interested in this look and want to see how I create this look, please stay tuned and watch. Oh, and by the way, if you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification button, that little bell icon, so you know when your girl uploads some new videos. But for now, if you like this, stay tuned and watch.
You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. Yeah. Staying up late, making it right, living it up to my name. Focus on doing it better. You just be doing the same, you doing it lame. I'm doing like everything changed. Forget all the money, forget all the fame. I still would've done it if they would've played all of the music I make every day. Like whoa, crazy the way the world goes. Blind when you look at it close. Zoom out when you viewing the picture. Perspective is all that we know. I'm all on my zone, I'm all on my own. Keep making a difference, I'm chasing the tones. I'm finding myself with the more that I grow. Get out of my way as I'm paving the road. You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. Yeah. Messing with them all. Yeah, messing with them all. Yeah, messing with them all. Yeah. Messing with them all. Yeah. All about that manifesting, knowing that you'll make it without any question. I've been stressing, I ain't gonna lie. Watching how they watch me, all I ever see is eyes. Yeah, last year hardly noticed, so this year they don't expect it. Once you hear the song, I swear I'm probably done my next hit. Damn, I swear my next stiff, everything looking up. Putting crazy hours, I promise you this ain't luck. Yeah, they told me to stick with the rap. Matter of fact, they go riddle the track. Everything good just be turning to great. Hungry for more, keep on filling the plate. Yeah, I don't know when, I don't know where, but everything about to be changed. Organically coming alive, it's growing and growing like every day. Cause I've been just planning this as I go. Got my whole future, I don't really know. Swear this time is moving so fast. They say good things never will last. Break that model, breaking that code. Everything easy, feeling so old. Everything new is making me work. If it ain't hard, then what is it worth? You ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. Yeah. Messing with them all. Yeah, messing with them all. Yeah, messing with them all. Yeah. Messing with them all. Yeah.
enjoyed this nice fall twist look, smoky green eye, using my Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. Alright, if you guys did enjoy, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other videos. I got a full eyebrow tutorial up on there for you. Thanks. Bye.